In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an RSS feed to Outlook, making it easier than ever to stay updated with all your favorite web content right from your email client. RSS feeds are a fantastic way to keep all your news, updates, and favorite articles in one place without having to constantly check each website manually. If you're ready, let's get started. First, open Outlook on your computer. If you're not already familiar with this, simply look for the Outlook icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu. Once you've opened Outlook, navigate to the top menu and select File. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, go to Account Settings. You'll notice there are potentially several options here, but click on Account Settings again to access a new window where we'll configure the RSS feed. Now that you're in the Account Settings window, look for the tab labeled RSS Feeds. Click on it, and you'll see a list of any feeds you might already have. Don't worry if it's empty for now, as we're about to add a new one. Once you're in the RSS Feeds tab, you'll notice a button that says New. Click on this button to initiate the process of adding your new RSS feed. You'll now be prompted to enter the RSS feed URL. This is the web address that will link Outlook to the stream of updates from the website you're interested in. If you have a specific URL you want to use, simply copy it from your browser and paste it into the field provided. To give you an example, you might have a URL that looks something like https://example.com/feed. Ensure that this URL is correctly copied to avoid any connection issues later. After you've pasted the URL into the appropriate field, go ahead and click the Add button. This action tells Outlook to connect to the URL you've provided and begin fetching content from it. The next step is to confirm your settings. You'll see a screen where you can review the feed name, which is usually generated from the RSS feed itself, and decide which folder you'd like the feed to appear in. If you're satisfied with these settings, click either Yes or OK to proceed. These confirmations will finalize the setup, and you'll begin receiving content from this RSS feed in your Outlook. That's all there is to it. Within moments, you should see items from your new RSS feed appearing in Outlook. This setup empowers you to stay on top of all the information you care about without the hassle of navigating through multiple websites. Everything you want is now conveniently in your inbox. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.